Hi, pretty girl. Hi, sis. Why you whine all the time? Why are you so whiny? What? What? What's the matter?
What?
What? What? What? What? What? Why are you whining? What's the matter? Oh, what? Is that so? You're showing off.
You okay?
She's okay, honey. She's okay. She's okay.
Pretty bird.
She's a pretty bird, isn't she? Isn't she, pretty girl? She's a pretty girl.
Pretty bird.
She's a pretty bird.
Pretty bird.
Yeah. You love your sissy? Be careful.
You okay?
She's okay.
You okay? What? Come here.
Alright, here's our next adventure.
See? What? Let's go.
We have a family of cardinals that live outside the window, and apparently Papa Cardinal thinks Ty is a hawk.
You want pizza?
No pizza, sweetie. Look at your buddy outside. See your cardinal?
You want pizza?
No.
Come here. Oh.
Uh-oh. Where's that crazy bird? There he is.
Yep. You want dancing?
No dance. Sissy, dance. You dancing?
You want dancing?
You want to dance? You want to dance or you want pizza? You want to dance?
You want dancing?
You can dance.
What? Can I help you?
She's upset.
You want to go?
Where's your little guy? Oh, there he is, Ty. There's your guy. He's going to hurt himself.
You want to
Little crazy bastard. Look at him. He's peeking in the window. Hey, what's up, little fella? Ty, look who's outside.
go? It's open.
He's not, he don't want to come in, honey.
It's open.
It's open.
It's open. Can I help you?
He's pretty. He's going to hurt himself. Oh, now he's over here.
What? You okay? You okay? Come here. Come here. What? What?
Look at that guy, Ty. Alright, what's going on over here?
Come here.
Angel.
It's open.
He's not knocking, Ty.
It's open.
He's not knocking for you, sweetie. Hi, Angel. Hi, Sissy. Angel. Tell her, Ty. Tell her. Angel.
Come here.
What are you doing? No.
Step up.
No. No. Too busy. Too busy for you? No. Let's look outside, sweetie. No, get off my shoulder. No. Quit. Step up. Get. Crazy.
What? What?
Where's that crazy guy? There he is.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
You okay? You okay?
This guy wants you, Ty.
Come here.
Ooh,
You okay?
there he is. It's like Find Waldo. Ooh. It's okay. Hey, little buddy. Maybe he wants to live with me.
Want pizza?
No pizza.
Want pizza?
No.
What?
Angel.
What?
Ty.
That bar's open.
You see your guy, Ty?
It's open. It's open.
He's very upset, sweetie. He's gonna hurt himself.
Huh?
This guy's gonna hurt himself. He's gonna break his neck.